How many minutes after 3 p.m. will the minute hand of the clock overtake the hour hand? A. 1.17, B. 14.92, C. 16.36, and D. 1.27 minutes. Okay, starting at exactly 3 p.m., both the hour and minute hands begin to move, and at some point between 3 and 4 o'clock, the minute hand will catch up and overtake the hour hand for the first time. Let's define x as the distance in minute marks or tick marks traveled by the minute hand, and y as the distance traveled by the hour hand. From 12 to 3 on a clock face, there are 15 tick marks. So initially, the hour hand is 15 tick marks ahead of the minute hand. This gives us our first equation. X minus y equals 15. Now we need another equation to relate x and y. Let's think of a scenario where both hands start at 12, and after 1 full hour, the minute hand completes a full circle, that's 60 tick marks, and the hour hand moves from 12 to 1, and that's 5 tick marks. Using ratio and proportion, we get y is to 5 as to x is to 60. And multiplying both sides of the equation by 5, we get y equals 5x over 60, which simplifies to y equals x over 12. Now, we substitute this into our first equation. Then we get x minus x over 12 equals 15. Combining like terms, we get 11x over 12 equals 15. And solving for x, we get x equals 16.36 minutes. How many minutes after 10 o'clock will the hands of the clock be in straight line for the first time? A. 21.41, B. 22.31, C. 21.81, and D. 22.61 minutes. Starting at 10 o'clock, the minute hand and the hour hand will move until they form a straight line for the first time. Let us say x represents the distance traveled by the minute hand, and y represents the number of minute marks traveled by the hour hand. This gives us the figure shown above. Since the distance between 10 and 12 on the clock is 10 minute marks, and the hour hand moves forward from 10, the remaining gap between the hour hand and the number 12 is 10 minus y. The relationship between the movement of the minute and hour hands, which is y equals x over 12. At the moment the two hands form a straight line, the distance between their tips is 30 minute marks, because one full rotation is 60 minute marks. So this distance is 30 minute marks. So we write the equation x plus 10 minus y equals 30. Then we subtract 10 to both sides of the equation. We now have x minus y equals 20. And we substitute y equals x over 12 into the equation. And we get x minus x over 12 is 20. And 1 minus 1 over 12 is 11 over 12. So that becomes 11x over 12 equals 20. And multiplying both sides by 12 over 11 to solve for x, then we get x equals 21.81 minutes. So the answer is 21.81 minutes, and that's letter C on the choices above.